Good morning, friends. Mary Mom here in the Buddha of Happiness garden. I was going to try to read outside today. And today's story is Thomas and the School Trip. Here's our friend Thomas. I happen to have Thomas too, because Alden and I play trains. It's a big day in the train yard. Let's get ready, says Thomas the tank engine. Swish, swish, the train yard is ready. Rub, rub, scrub, scrub, the engines are shiny and bright. Blue, green, red, Thomas, Henry, and James are ready too. Everybody's ready. Even Sir Topham Hatt is ready. Ready for what? Children! On a school trip. Peep, peep, here they come, shouts Thomas. Here come the children. Hello, hello, he puffs. My name is Thomas. Watch me push, watch me pull. Thomas has lots of fun. Hello, Thomas. But soon Thomas has to go. He has work to do on his branch line. Poor Thomas, he is sad. He wants to stay. He wants to play. Sir Topham Hatt has an idea. Do your job, Thomas, then hurry back. You can take the children home. But remember, you cannot be late. You must be on time, or somebody else will take the children. Sir Topham Hatt has a good idea. I will hurry, says Thomas. His coaches, Annie and Clarabelle, say, we will hurry too. Chug, chug, chug along the branch line. Thomas goes as fast as he can. Up a hill, over a bridge, through a tunnel, Thomas stops at every station. He does a good job, I think. At last the work is done. Right on time, chugs Thomas. Now hurry back, puff Annie and Clarabelle. But Thomas cannot hurry. Thomas has to wait. We are kind of waiting around now too, aren't we all? But we can look on the bright side and read stories. Thomas has to wait and wait again. Oh no, will Thomas be late? Oh my, now what is that up ahead? It's Bertie the bus, he has broken down. Thomas wants to help, but then he will be late, much too late. Stop or go, help or hurry. What should Thomas do? Screech! Thomas stops. He cannot leave his friend. Will you take my passengers? Asked Bertie. Look, it's the children. Bertie was taking them home. Hooray for Thomas. He has saved the day. And I think the sunshine today has saved the day. Wyatt, how's my boy today? Hope you're doing good and get outside. Alden, I hope you're being a helper today, just like Thomas. And I hope you get outside to play too. The Buddha of Happiness is right here, and he loves us all. This is Mary Mom signing out from the land of Whitingham. Peace and love. Bye.